grateful enough. It's a little track called Open Up That Door. Open up that door and walk right in my heart. Open up that door and walk right in my heart. You've been gone so long, come on back where you belong. So open up the door and walk right in my heart. Don't you know that we should never be apart? Don't you know that we should never be apart? I don't need any key, I've been waiting patiently. So open up the door and walk right in my heart. Since you've been gone, you made my life a mess. I need your love for my happiness. Without you here, I don't want to live. Have a little mercy and forget I'm forgiven. Open up the door and walk right in my heart. Yeah, open up the door and walk right in my heart. I'll pray all day that you'll come back to stay. So open up the door and walk right in my heart. You made my life a mess. I need your love for my happiness. I need to live, I don't live to live. Have a little mercy and forget I forgive. Oh,